In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Airtable note system using Claude AI. Start by opening Claude AI and creating a new chat. This will give you a clean space to send the setup request and generate the system directly through the Airtable integration. Once the chat is open, paste in a single prompt that clearly explains what you want Claude to build. Use this prompt. Create a notes management system directly in my Airtable using the integration. Build tables for notes and categories with fields for note title, category, tags, status, owner, created date, updated date, and content. Include structured organization and ensure everything is fully configured and ready to use. After sending the prompt, allow Claude a moment to process the request and complete the setup. The goal here is to have Claude generate a usable Airtable base with the right structure already in place, so you do not need to build each table and field manually. Next, open Airtable and go to your workspace. Look for the newly created base that contains your note system. Once you find it, open it and begin reviewing the setup to make sure everything was created correctly. Start with the notes table. Open it and check that the expected fields are there. You should see fields for the note title, category, tags, status, owner, created date, updated date, and content. This table will serve as the main place where you store and manage individual notes. Then move to the categories table. Open that table and confirm that it was also created correctly. This table should support the organization of your notes and help keep your system structured and easy to manage over time. After that, verify the overall organization setup. Make sure categories are linked properly and that tags can be used the way you expect. This is an important part of the system because it determines how easily you can sort, filter, and maintain your notes later. Once everything looks correct, begin adding notes into the system. Enter sample notes or real information so you can test how the structure works in practice. As you add notes, assign categories, apply tags, and review the status and ownership fields. From there, continue organizing and updating your notes as needed. You can use the setup to track changes, manage note ownership, and keep your content current with the updated date field. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.